Right, well now it's midnight. I've done 650 miles. I've been on the go for 12 hours, and guess what? I'm halfway.
This is where our race starts.
Is it?
Now we're going to go to sleep, and we're still moving, look, at that speed.
Do you think he will stop?
He's old, he's got an arthritic hip. He will have to stop.
I got the window down. That's good.
Well, I would, and you would, but I don't think Jeremy will, because he'll become obsessed by power and winning.
That country's armed forces attacked the Falkland Islands yesterday.
The message we've got is that British troops landed on South Georgia this afternoon.
Yes!
He'll just drive on through the
No,
night.
it'll be too much. You can't possibly. This is where we start to win, honestly.
It's the first yawn.